Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So Microsoft has been pushing Copilot quite steadily over the last couple of years, be that in Windows 11, Office products and services, Microsoft Edge, and so on and so forth. And in regards to this, a former Microsoft executive has recently criticized Microsoft's AI strategy, saying that Microsoft, and I'm quoting, missed the AI wave despite investing heavily in Copilot, Bing AI, and AI-powered Windows features. Now, this is all according to former Microsoft technical fellow Matt Filoso, who believes that Microsoft now needs what he described as an internal factory reset, quote unquote. Now, one of the biggest criticisms centers around Microsoft's Copilot adoption, where Matt claims fewer than 3% of paying users actively use Copilot products, with Microsoft reportedly having around 450 million Microsoft 365 users, but only about 15 million paid Copilot seats, which basically translates to roughly 3.3% adoption, despite Microsoft integrating Copilot deeply into Windows 11, as we have been talking about, Microsoft 365 apps, and of course Microsoft Edge, and the Windows taskbar. So basically, Matt's criticism is showing us a growing concern that Microsoft's so-called aggressive AI rollout is not translating into any meaningful daily usage from mainstream consumers or enterprise customers. And I thought this was interesting, so I just wanted to share it with you. Despite Microsoft having added Copilot across nearly every major product category, including Windows, Office apps, Teams, and other products and services. Now, this is getting a little bit better with Microsoft's K2 initiative and effort, where Microsoft said it's fixing Windows 11 this year. In 2026, where already Microsoft, across some of its apps like Snipping Tool and Notepad, to some degree or other, has started reducing the amount of Copilot branding and AI. But despite Microsoft's push in regards to Copilot and AI, I do think many users, though, still treat Copilot as an optional feature rather than a core productivity tool. And I think that's where Microsoft missed the boat, so to speak. Microsoft wanted AI to be everything in Windows and Edge and its products and services. But I think a lot of users, including myself, just treat Copilot as an optional feature. And I think that's why only 3% use Copilot. Let me know your thoughts down below. Always interested to hear. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.